So I've just realised that I cut a bit off the end of the question. That's my bad. My scanning has not gone well here. So we're just looking at the end of the question. Okay, we've got, again, another standard question, which comes up a lot. We've got the student calculating the volume of a glass marble, and they want to measure the diameter. And we're going to use two wooden blocks. Now, why do they use two wooden blocks? Well, they do the approach that you can see here. Basically place the blocks so they touch the sides of the wall, and then use that to measure the distance between them. So this is my ruler down here. These are my wooden blocks. Probably should label this, but I was very quick drawing it, so make sure you label as well. Okay, this is kind of a standard technique. I've seen this for measuring, for example, masses, which tend to be circular. Often you might be asked to do that as well. So please do be aware of this sort of technique. It's better than using, essentially what you're doing is using a caliper, but without having to use the kind of sophisticated measurement technique that's involved there. Okay, last one. We've got our point here. Okay, the student repeats the procedure using different marbles. The marbles have the same diameter and the same glass, but they have an air bubble inside them. So it asks you what the effect of the air bubble has on the density of the marbles and the density of the glass. So again, if you've not had a chance to do this one, try the question first, and then we'll look at what the answer is. Okay. Hopefully you'll agree with me here that the effect of the density of the marble is that it will reduce. Why? Well, because the mass of the marble will decrease. All right, rho is m over v, and so therefore the density of the overall marble will decrease. However, the density of the glass will be unchanged, and the reason of that is that the density of the glass is just the density of glass. Okay, when we're looking at the density of water, it doesn't matter how much water we have. It matters just that it is water. Okay, so when we are looking at the density value, we are just saying that the density of the marble will change, however the density of the glass itself will not. Now, definitely got to the end of that question, so thank you for watching.